Welcome back. If your Bamboo deposit hasn't reflected in your wallet yet, follow these quick steps to get it resolved. Step 1. Wait for the standard processing window, because most bank transfers or card payments take anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 hours to clear, depending on network processing delays. Secondly, check your bank statement or banking app. Confirm that the funds were actually debited from your account and that the transaction was successful. You need to check your email also. Look for a payment receipt or confirmation email from Bamboo or their payments processor to verify if the transaction went through on their end. So if all of this does not work, you need to go to your profile. Once you tap into your profile, you click on help, scroll down and click on help. So on the navigation bar, you click on help. So check your transaction history to see if the payment status is listed as pending. If 24 hours have passed and your wallet is still not updated, reach out directly to Bamboo customer support through the app chat or email them at their email address support@investbamboo.com. Then you have to attach your proof of payment, such as your bank transaction receipt showing the session ID or reference number, so the support team can manually trace and credit your deposits. Thanks for watching and have a great day.